If you're looking for a simple holiday appetizer, EatingWell Magazine's editor-in-chief Jessie Price has something a little bit cheesy. She's going to show us how to make a savory cheeseball.
EatingWell has a bunch of variations right now, including pumpkin spice, saffron and raisin, and this one I'm going to show you today, which is jalapeno cheddar. So I'm starting with a block of already softened cream cheese. I'm adding in shredded cheddar, pickled jalapenos, a little bit of minced or grated garlic, 1 clove of that. I go lime zest from 1 lime, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, and chili powder and salt. And then I just mix it together. And you want to, this is why you want that cream cheese softened, so that it's easier to smash it all together. So my sister asked me about bringing an appetizer for Thanksgiving, and I am thinking cheeseball now that I'm making these, because they are that easy, that simple. Okay, once you have it mixed, you form it into a ball on a piece of plastic coated in cooking spray. That's going to help it not stick. And you form it into a ball like this. Now the fun thing about these is, you know, as I said, we have the pumpkin spice and the saffron variation. This is the jalapeno cheddar, but it's really versatile. You could mix and match as you see fit, and then make them pretty by rolling them in something on the outside. So this one, I'm gonna roll it in a little cilantro. Just about, I think I have 1/3 of a cup of chopped cilantro.